गाइस आज फिर से बैक टू वेलकम माय न्यू चैनल। तो गाइस अब हम खेलने वाले हैं इन सिमुलेटर ट्रेन। तो गाइस वीडियो को एंड तक देखना। ये लोड क्यों हो रहा है? लोडिंग कितना टाइम लगेगा रे? बाप रे बाप।
Passengers, your kind
Yes,
attention
Manohar ji.
please.
Can we start?
Train number 1,
Yes, take the train to the shooting
Six,
spot and receive to
5, 5. Humsafar Superfast Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1, 6, 5, 5. Tejas Superfast Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1, 6, 5.
Are you the driver? Yes, I am the loco pilot. Let me brief you about the job. After we finish loading camera and crew on top of the train, you can start driving. Steadily reach a speed of 35. And then? Then we will start the cameras and I can do that. It's a risky stunt sequence and you must drive carefully. Any sudden jerk and we will risk the life of our film crew. Are you confident you can do this? Yes. Then let's go. We need to wrap up before we lose the light. Excellent shot, Hansen. Good job by the. Let's back up.
कितना बार ऐड आएगा यार गाइस मैं यार ठग चुका हूँ यार ये ऐड आके लोडिंग होना टाइम लग रहा है गाइस
Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number
Good evening.
Come in, Karthik.
1, 2,
I am wishing you an
6,
awesome
5,
Sir, here's the
5.
autograph you asked for.
Mahamana Express is scheduled to depart
My-
from
Don't mention.
platform
You did a
number
great job
3.
during Oxygen Express trip.
I was just
Passengers,
doing my.
your
No.
kind attention
You
please.
have gone beyond the
Train
fun
number
of beauty so many
1,
That's very big of you, sir.
6,
Yes,
5,
and we
5.
Why?
Shatabdi
Because
Superfast
we
Express
comfort.
is scheduled
What?
to depart from
Yes, I thought
platform
What?
number 3.
But where am I going, sir?
Passengers,
Bags with window.
your kind attention please. Train number 1,
द फर्स्ट मूवी क्या बोल रहा है टूरिस्ट इन कश्मीर तो guys, शुरू करते हैं
तो आप अपने गांव या घर को बिल्कुल 3D में रियलिटी में देखना चाहते कि आपके घर के पास क्या रखा हो यानी कि चप्पल भी रखा होगा ना बैग भी या कार भी या इंसान भी खड़ा रहेगा ना तो बिल्कुल 3D में आप देख पाएंगे ऐसा लगेगा कि आप वहीं पे खड़े हो तो 3D
शुरू होने वाला है इंतजार करके 2 घंटे हो चुका है
your kind
फाइनली
attention
हो
please.
चुका है
Train number Vande Bharat Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1. Passengers, your kind attention
Hello,
please.
young man.
Train number
Do you remember me or have you forgotten Avrivan and Arakkonam?
Rajendran sir, what a surprise.
9.
Good to see you too, my
Bharat
boy.
Express
Love the
is
new look.
scheduled to depart
How is
from
everyone back home? What are
platform
you?
number
Everyone is doing
1.
good. I am here on an official trip, so I thought I would take the tourist express today.
Train number
Great idea, sir. You will love this trip. The new to
I am so excited.
9.
Get in, sir. The train is about.
Bharat Express is scheduled to depart from
I am so
platform
excited.
number
I feel like a
1.
kid.
Passengers, your kind attention please.
This
Train
is so
number
fancy.
2243
This feels like a European
Vande
train.
Bharat Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1.
I hope my seat has a great view.
Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 2249
Well, looks like every seat has a great view.
Vande Bharat Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 2249 Vande Bharat Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1.
Welcome to Indian Railways Kashmir Valley. We are going to see some of the most beautiful sights on earth in our journey today. For this trip, we have arranged for a special Vistado tourist staff who will come for us. And now we are reaching our first site. On your left, you can see the beautiful Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden in full bloom. Opened in 2007, it is the largest tulip garden in Asia spread over an area of about 74 acres. It is situated on the foothills of Zabarwan Range with an overview of Dal Lake. The tulip garden is home to around 65 varieties of tulips and
तो
about
गाइस आज की वीडियो
1.5
में काफ़ी
million
होगा
tulip
होगा तो
bulbs
लोग
were brought from Amsterdam.
वीडियो एंजॉय होगी होपली लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना मैं मिलता है आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो टेक